Bananas are one of the most popular fruits around the world. They are delicious and versatile. You can eat them raw, cooked, or blended into smoothies. Bananas are not just tasty, they are incredibly good for you too. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies love. Let's explore the amazing health benefits of bananas. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to our stools, helping things move smoothly in our digestive system and preventing constipation. By promoting regular bowel movements, bananas help maintain a healthy gut. Bananas are famous for being gentle on the stomach. They are a recommended food for people recovering from digestive issues. Unlike some other fruits, bananas don't irritate the stomach lining. The fiber in bananas acts as a prebiotic, providing food for the good bacteria living in our intestines. These friendly bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even our immune system. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars, like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick and sustained energy boost, making bananas a perfect snack for active individuals or anyone needing a pick-me-up. Besides their energy-boosting carbohydrates, bananas also contain several B vitamins, including vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for converting food into usable energy, further contributing to bananas' reputation as a power food. Perhaps the most well-known health benefit of bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. In addition to potassium, bananas contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. They also provide antioxidants like dopamine and catechins, linked to various health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease.